Wow. Shabbat Shalom, my friends. I'm very busy with my coin collection. And let me tell you why. This week is the longest Torah portion in the entire Torah. And the reason for that is because at the end of the portion, it tells us about the different offerings that the different leaders of the Jewish people brought to God. But here's what's surprising. It repeats the same thing again and again and again. It just changes their name every time. What's the message? The Talmud tells us that God could have easily created one template and all human beings will look the same. Just like coins, every single quarter, every single nickel, they just make one template and the rest look exactly the same. But God said, no, every person is different. Every person is unique. That's why the Torah lists each portion, each sacrifice again and again, because no one should think that there's someone else in the world just like you. There's only one of you in this world. And this morning, God said, there's a place in this world that has to be elevated, and you are the one who's going to make it happen. Go out there, embrace a unique mission, because there's no one else like you in this entire universe. Shabbat Shalom.